Hi to whoever will watch this. I just wanted to come here and give a video review for Dr. Chris. He helped me tremendously through my healing journey. I was suffering from an L4, L5 herniated disc with debilitating sciatica for about 2 to 3 months before I met Dr. Chris. He helped me so much throughout my healing process. He took the time and to make sure he went and figured out the actual cause of my herniated disc rather than just giving me a general workout or a rehab routine to do. He personalized my workouts and guided me throughout the whole day, as this is a very dynamic injury and it differs person by person. Even when I was stuck and hit a plateau, he would take his time. He would be always available and help me figure out how to move forward. Overall, I highly recommend working with Dr. Chris Erickson because he knows what he's talking about and also cares about you and your actual healing. He will work with you and take all his patients.